Hi guys, it's Tess Mahan. How you doing? I wanted to tell you all about this new product that launched this morning. You know, as many of you know, I am a traffic vendor with my site is called getgreatclicks.com, and I sell solo ad traffic, and I work with a lot of marketers and do paid advertising with them for their programs and offers. But you know, everyone needs to have free methods of making money online or free ways to promote. So I'm always keeping an eye out for those kind of things. And you know, I have in the past reviewed a few products for a particular marketer named Jeremy Kennedy, and he has released a program this morning, a training that is put together by this great woman, Helen Doherty, about her experience and the way she's making money on a new social platform by doing daily posts and comments and shares on a new platform. And I was like, yeah, okay. I'm sure I've seen this before. I'm sure I've heard of it. I'm sure I know something about it because I pretty much seem to know everything that is about everything out there, isn't there? You know, like after so many years online, you pretty much see everything, right? So I was given a review copy earlier this week, and I started going through it, and I was really surprised about this product. And first of all, just flat off the bat, no matter what the product was about, I was very impressed with how it was put together. What Helen has put together, really step by step. And it's 77 pages long for this PDF, for this training. And it's on a very low dime sale to start. It started at about $7. I think it's up to about $7.75 now. So it is not expensive to get in and get started with it. But she does so many good pages of images and screenshots and showing you what to do that you could open up her PDF and go one page at a time and look at the image and go do the step. Look at the image, go do the step. That's what most people need. I mean, I know that's what my husband always says. If someone can show me, you know, do A, do B, do C, and I can do 1, 2, 3 along with them, is what I need. So this is the kind of training and product you're going to get with this. So I was really surprised that I didn't know this platform. I didn't know this platform. I didn't know this method. I didn't really believe that you could do this and like, sure, just post. You know, when someone says you're going to make money by posting, it usually turns out to be something like, okay, well, you go on these groups and these forums and you post a offer. You're selling something by your post. You're recruiting people to your program by posting. You know, that you're really not just making posts, but that's what this is. This is actually doing posts of content and commenting and liking, and you actually make some extra money by commenting and liking on other people's content. And then as you grow in this platform and you have more and more involvement and comments and shares, and you know that it's not Facebook, it's nothing like Facebook, not at all, then you will earn more and more people will comment on your stuff. And it's just a whole new technology of how it works, how the money's generated, where the money comes from. And I went through it quite, you know, spent a little time going, wow, okay, wow. All right, that works. Okay. So I really strongly recommend this product for something that would be less than $10 to get into, to go through, you know, try setting, you know, set yourself up, go through the steps and see if that is something you enjoy doing. Because it's not just like, okay, someone's going to hand you money. I just put my name on something and I get money sent to me. No, you have to actually do this daily, at least 5 out of 7 days, I would say. So make it like a mini part-time job. You have to do it regularly. You have to do it consistently. You would be best doing once in the morning, once in the afternoon or early evening kind of thing, twice a day. Set it to your free times and do it every single day or most every day of each week, and it will grow and grow and grow. Helen started doing, she got involved, she says, you know, earlier this year, but didn't really take it seriously. Didn't think really like, okay, whatever. And, you know, like all of us do, we get into something and then we just don't really do anything with it. But a couple months ago, she's like, you know what, I'm going to do this and I'm going to do it consistently and I'm going to do it regularly and I'm going to do it the right way. And this is how she has quickly rolled herself up to making $1,000 a week, earning that kind of money. So it is definitely something that can be done. So I wanted to let you know about the product being available. If you go look on to the link below this video, it will take you to the sales page. And as you see right now, it says $7.73 to get in. So it's not expensive. It's a dime sale though, so the price does keep going up. And it shows you, that you don't have to make a website and you don't have to have a list and you actually aren't selling anything. You don't have to build a list. You don't have to make a funnel. You're not selling products. And my little printer is making noise. You're not recruiting anybody. You're not having to convince anybody to do anything. You are making posts that have to be, of quality of information. And that printer just drives me crazy. Okay, I turned it off. Why does it have to do that all of a sudden, out of nowhere? I don't know. It's a wireless printer and it just decides to make noise. I apologize. So look through the sales page and get in on this product for under $10. Now, after that, you will have some what they call OTOs, and they are called OTOs because that stands for one-time offers. But really what OTOs are additional parts, complements to the first front-end product and training. So they're not required. And people's like, well, I'm so tired. I hate OTOs. I hate upsells. But don't look at it that way. Look at it as breaking apart sections and offering them individually, that not everybody wants everything all included. Because if it included everything, it'd be $100. The training would be $97. It would not be $7 to start. So this way, a vendor can take one part of it and give you, okay, here's the meat of the training. Yes, you can take this and go do it yourself and make money like we're showing you. But if you want additional training, additional support, additional services, you can pick and choose from this a la carte menu. Just like if you go into a restaurant and you order a steak and you want to have your sides of mashed potatoes or asparagus. I'm hungry. Okay, so the first OTO, the first a la carte option after you get the main product is the best one. And so if you're only going to get one, I would strongly encourage you to get the first one. And that is a done-for-you content offer. Now, and there's more to that than that. It's not just that part. But if you think you might struggle with content or what should I write about, this is a massive collection of done-for-you content and PLR and articles in a dozen different niches that will help you either put together something to write, tweak something to write, have a basis and foundation of done-for-you material. It also includes access to the live strategy session that they're going to have with Helen that will help you get started. Now, this is going to be a strategy session and training on what to do, how to move along and start getting success as quickly as possible. It's not a pitch fest. It's not going to be selling more things. And then also in this OTO offer, the first one, is a fast track action plan, which will help you bypass this learning curve and get you to the making money stage as quickly as possible. And then also there's a black book she's including in this first OTO, which is think of it as a massive, little black book of all your best resources and people's contacts and articles and everything of where to go for what. So not just what to do, which is in the first product, the dime sell product, but where to go, how to get to people and what you need in that black book. Now, the second OTO is what they call their platinum upgrade, and it includes interviews that Helen went to the 6 biggest players on this platform and successful posters and people working on this platform, and interviewed them and got their insight on how to do this the best and quickest way of being successful and making money on this platform. Now, that is a good OTO. It's great insight. If it's something, like, okay, I'm not sure if I have enough money for both OTOs, 1 and 2 are both $27 each, go with number 1. I'm actually surprised she included the black book in number 1 and didn't put the black book in with the interviews, because I think that kind of would have correlated better with OTO number 2. And then the last OTO, the a la carte special for you, is their VIP Mastermind. This one I would consider if you really want to get in with a group of people who are doing the same format, the same method, and are on this platform and trained by Helen and working together to, seriously commit to this and make money with this. It is offered on a $1 trial, I think, for the first 7 days, and then it's $29 a month. But this is where you will have a group of people that are all committed and focused on using this method and platform to make money. And I think it's better to have a paid mastermind group like this, because it's not just an open forum on a Facebook group where she put everybody who bought the front end product into this group and they're really not involved in what they're doing, and or they haven't even done it yet, or they haven't tried anything. But this would be just the group of the insiders who really want to work the program, learn the method, get the best results, do it the fastest, can ask questions to other people who are committed also, who are going to be checking messages, who are going to be responsive to your questions and your needs. So that's the one that I would also consider. But if not, just get the front end product, get the OTO number 1. Okay, so I'm going to get done with this video and get it posted. And if you click on the buttons link wherever I have below this video, then that will take you right to the sales page and you can go ahead and check out through there. Okay, if you have any questions, send me a private message on my Facebook page. If we're not friends, send me a friend request. You can find me at facebook.com/Tess Mahan. That's TESS as in Sam, M as in Mary, AHAN as in Nancy. Otherwise, you can go to my websites for solo ad traffic at getgreatclicks.com, and I will be happy to take care of you. So talk with you later. Take care. Bye-bye.